Well, what the heck? It's not from my county though. Alright. What the? Okay, what the heck?
35 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter size.
That's great.
Source, radar
Oh my gosh.
impact. Vehicles is possible. Damage to trees.
Let's see.
Just like you.
No, it's not 96.7. It doesn't have it. Alright, what the heck? The storm decided to intensify.
Riverdale and Co-op City around 3:05 p.m.
Oh my gosh.
This is
Around 3:10 p.m. Around 3:20 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties: New Jersey, Bergen, and Essex. Here is the regional weather forecast. For northwest New Jersey, severe thunderstorm watch 607 in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. This afternoon, showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may be severe. Locally heavy rainfall possible.
Bro, what the heck?
Near steady temperatures in the upper 70s.
Yeah, there must be a problem with my radios. Another one. Yeah.
Northeastern New Jersey until 3:15.
Only for Hudson County, bro. What the heck? Bruh.
Hazard 60 miles per hour.
Are you kidding me, bro?
Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. In the morning.
Goodness. There must be a problem with my radios, not where all of them go off for some reason.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the
Like,
lowest floor.
the reception is clearly clear. W100 doesn't go off. I don't know why.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3 p.m. for southern Somerset and northwestern Middlesex counties. At 2:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hillsborough, or 12 miles southwest of Somerville, moving at 35 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail.